So how do we intend to clean this country out of plastics, all the littered plastics, the waste plastics that keep coming into the environment? How do we really intend to clean this country from the littered plastic waste? We know that there is a value in the plastic waste. The waste has a great value. It is not at the right place. That is the only problem with any waste. Waste is a misplaced resource. So same is true with plastics. So our intention is to bring back the waste. And how do we bring back the waste? We bring back the waste through the waste pickers, through the collection centers, through the kabadiwalas, through the municipalities, through NGOs. Multiple ways are there to bring back the waste. And we intend to bring all the waste back and create recycling systems. In this country, there is not very good infrastructure around plastic recycling. There are hardly any listed companies in plastic recycling. The structure and the entire industry around plastic recycling is very, very small. And when we are looking at very small industries, we normally know that they have pressures of compliance and a few others. So we intend to create a pipeline, a system, a reverse logistics of bringing the plastics back and then processing it through various conforming and high-tech plastic recycling centers around the country. That is the entire concept of Pro India. The Pro India's concept is of franchising, and as we franchise, we bring in entrepreneurs into the fold, into Pro India itself, and give them knowledge, give them technology, give them support, and handhold them as they participate in either the collection of the waste through the material recovery facilities or actually by putting recycling centers. So that is the entire purpose of Pro India franchising. I would really encourage you if you are interested. This is a place where you can invest money because it satisfies all the causes that you intend to actually undertake in life. All the three P's, people, profit, and planet, is being met by just one single endeavor. And plastic is growing at the rate almost double that of a GDP. So please understand that your business is not going to get shelved. You are not going to get bankrupt. This has never happened that a kabadiwala gets bankrupt. So in the business of recycling, recovering, and replacing old plastics with into the products is something that has great business value, and it has also a great social value where you are benefiting the waste pickers, as I mentioned. And finally, it also has a great value in terms of environment. You are going to do good to the environment. We should not wait for environment to continuously tell us that it has been degraded and remind us through exercises like this and what we are going through in this pandemic that there is a world that we have to take care of. So it's not just a social cause, it's a cause which is environmental, social, and finally profitable to you. Thank you.